Lieutenant Colby Ryan with Weber County Sheriff's Office. You have an update now on the investigation to the mother and 3 children found dead in West Haven. What is your update?
So at about 9:47 p.m. last night, September 3rd, our deputies responded to an address in West Haven on a report of a deceased female and 3 deceased children. Deputies arrived on scene and determined that all 4 individuals were deceased. Our investigations unit, as well as the Weber County Attorney's Office Homicide Task Force and our CSI investigation and Weber County drone team were called out to assist in the investigation. Our detectives have been working throughout the night, working with the Attorney's Office and the Office of Medical Examiner to determine the cause of death. Right now, this is an ongoing investigation. We don't have any other details that we're giving out at this time until we get that information back from the Ogden Office of Medical Examiner.
All 4 had been shot, however, correct?
Yes, it appears all 4 died from gunshot wounds.
And they were found in a car?
Yes, sir. Yeah, they were found inside of the back of a car parked in the driveway of the residence.
And was there anything unusual about how they were situated in that vehicle?
That's all part of stuff we're learning through the investigation, but all 4 individuals were found in the back, laying down in the back of the vehicle.
Was a gun recovered?
That's still part of the investigation. We haven't released whether a gun was recovered or not.
Are you calling it murder-suicide or something else?
Until we get the official report back from the Office of the Medical Examiner, they will determine the actual cause of death.
So you're not calling it murder-suicide?
No, not at this time.
Has anyone been taken into custody in connection with this case?
No, nobody's been taken into custody. From right now, the evidence that we have at the scene, we have determined that there's no threat to the community in any way.
And does that means that there is no killer on the loose?
That'll come out during our investigation. We're still early on this investigation. We're still trying to look at all the evidence and figure out exactly what happened, how these 4 individuals were found deceased.
We've heard information about a possible boyfriend to the young woman who was killed.
Again, that's all part of our investigation. We are looking at, we're interviewing family members, close friends, neighbors in the neighborhood. We're still trying to piece everything together to get an idea of why this occurred.
Have you talked to the boyfriend?
Yes, we have talked to numerous individuals that were friends, family, relatives of this individual and the children.
You're not ruling out that this might have been a quadruple murder?
Well, we're not ruling out anything right now. I mean, we take every investigation into the death of somebody, we look at the evidence, and then we proceed from there.
What needs to happen now for you to make I assume you would like to make a quick determination here?
I repeat myself when I say as soon as we get the official medical report from the Office of the Medical Examiner who determines the cause of death, then we will move forward in that direction, if that's whichever direction that is appropriate.
Can you tell us where these people were shot? Can you tell us where the mother and kids were shot?
That's still part of the investigation, and that'll come from the medical examiner's office.
Do you have surveillance video?
That's all part of the investigation.
Were the kids underneath a blanket in the car?
That's part of the investigation, sir.
Okay.
I could say our condolences go out to the family, the community, the friends and family, the friends of the kids that were involved. This all has a huge impact on them, as well as the law enforcement officers that have to investigate these types of crime, and our crime scene department who's out there also investigating these crimes. So
It's been a tough month in Weber County.
it's been a tough month throughout all of Weber County, not just the sheriff's office. We've investigated quite a few of these crimes, and it takes a toll on everybody.
Gavin was not just a few blocks away, as I understand it.
Yes.
That's where his house
Yes.
was. So that's been an issue. Is there a part of the department that says, "Oh my gosh, not again"?
Oh, of course. I mean, any time that there's children involved, it plays a heavy toll on our complete office and the community.
Yeah. Okay. When do you expect another update?
We will be coming up with another update within the next couple of days when the information starts coming back from the Office of the Medical Examiner, as well as our investigators, when they really get a deep dive into this. So,
But no one has been arrested. No one has been detained.
nobody is in custody at this time. So,
And what leads you to say there's no threat to the community?
that'll be coming out as part of our investigation.
All right, Lieutenant Ryan, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.